Most people make 5 or 10 songs and stop. They think that is enough. Here is the truth. The creators making real money have catalogs of 100 songs or more. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to scale your AI music catalog from a handful of tracks to a real business. Let me break it down. Here's why catalog size matters on streaming platforms. Spotify pays per stream. Apple Music pays per stream. One song getting 1,000 streams earns you a few dollars. 100 songs each getting 1,000 streams. That is real income. The math is simple, but most people ignore it. They get excited about one hit song and forget about the catalog. A big catalog works while you sleep. Every new listener who finds one track will explore your other songs. More songs means more chances to get discovered. It also means more playlist placements across different genres. So how do you actually build a 100-song catalog with AI music? Here is my system. First, batch your production sessions. Do not make one song at a time whenever you feel inspired. That is the slowest way to scale. Instead, schedule 2 or 3 production sessions per week. In each session, generate 10 to 15 tracks with Suno AI. Do not worry about perfection yet, just generate. 30 to 40 songs per week compounds fast. In 1 month, you have a catalog of over 100 songs. It really is that simple, but you need the discipline. Second, diversify your genres and moods. Do not put all 100 songs in the same style. Spotify listeners have different tastes. Some want lo-fi beats for studying, others want upbeat pop for workouts, others want ambient tracks for sleep. Create at least 4 different genre buckets. Assign 20 to 30 songs per bucket. This way you are not competing with yourself. Each bucket targets a different audience on the platform. Third, create an organization system before you start uploading. Name your files properly, tag your BPM and key. Keep a spreadsheet with every song. Track the title, track the genre, track the mood, track the release status. This sounds boring, but it saves you hours later. When you have 100 songs, you need to know what you have. Without a system, you will lose tracks. You will forget what you already released. A simple Google Sheet is all you need. Fourth, master your release cadence. This is where most people mess up. They upload 20 songs in one day and then nothing for 2 months. The algorithm hates that. Streaming platforms reward consistency. Release 2 to 3 songs per week every single week. No exceptions. With 100 songs in your catalog, that gives you nearly a year of consistent releases. The algorithm starts to trust you. Your monthly listeners grow steadily. Spotify editorial playlists start noticing your consistency. Fifth, do not skip quality control. More songs does not mean low-quality songs. For every 10 tracks you generate, keep only the best 4 or 5. Delete the ones with weird artifacts. Delete the ones with bad vocals. Suno AI sometimes produces amazing results. Sometimes it does not. Be ruthless with your quality filter. A catalog of 100 good songs beats a catalog of 1,000 bad songs, every time. The playlist curators will skip your tracks if the quality is inconsistent. Sixth, optimize your metadata like a professional. Every song needs a unique cover art. Every song needs a descriptive title. Every song needs relevant tags. Do not name your songs Track 1 or Song 5. Use titles that people actually search for. Study beats for concentration. Morning coffee jazz. Sleep sounds with rain. These are the kind of titles that get discovered through search. The metadata is the first thing Spotify sees. Make it count. Seventh, this is where DistroKid becomes your best friend. You have 100 songs ready. You need to get them onto Spotify, onto Apple Music, onto Amazon, onto TikTok, onto every platform that pays. DistroKid lets you upload unlimited songs for one flat yearly fee. No per-release charges, no per-song charges. Just upload and go. Most distributors charge you per single or per album. With 100 songs, those fees add up fast. DistroKid saves you hundreds of dollars. It also delivers your music in days, not weeks. Here is the deeper insight most people miss. A large catalog is not just about streaming royalties. It opens doors to other income streams, sync licensing opportunities,